Hello everyone. In this today's video, we are going to cover how to download and install React.js in your operating system. So let's get started. Before downloading React.js, you have to download a Node.js in your system. So how to download? Just visit to Google and type download Node.js. Then this is the main website, that is nodejs.org. Just click on this website. Now there are two versions available. First one is a current and second one is a LTS. So we will download LTS, that is long time support, and depend upon your operating system whether it is a Windows, whether it is a Mac, or whether it is a Linux. So depend upon your operating system, just click on that. If I am in Windows user, I just have to click there and my download will get started. It around 18 MB file size in Windows, and if you're a Mac user, you have to download DMG file. So you just have to download it, and there's a simple process to install it. You just have to click next, and your Node.js will get installed. Okay, so I already downloaded that. If you want to check whether Node.js is installed or not in your system, then what you have to do, you have to open your terminal. Windows user will open their command prompt, that is CMD. So I'm opening my terminal. Inside the terminal, I have to write down npm hyphen hyphen version, and this is the node package manager 6.14.6 and node hyphen hyphen version. So our node version is 12.18.3 and npm is nothing but the node package manager which comes into the node packages. Okay, so successfully we installed the Node.js in your operating system. Now it's time to install React.js. If you want to work with React.js, then you just have to follow React.js website. So just visit Google and type React.js. So this is the main website, that is reactjs.org. In the documentation, you will find that how to add React Native app, create new React Native app, so that we will see one by one what are the steps. To install React.js in your computer, you have to again open your terminal. Windows user will open their command prompt, and inside the command prompt, you have to write down sudo. Only Mac and Linux user will type sudo, that is super user. Windows user don't need to write this. So sudo npm install -g create React app. npm stands for node package manager. Install -g stands for globally, that means I can create app from anywhere. Then create React app is a syntax, so you have to download it. So I'm just getting downloaded. I have to type my laptop password and my downloading is get started. So I already downloaded this, so it will check whether a new version is available or I have to update it. So they will say that they've updated one package, then your React.js will get installed in your computer. Now it's time to create hello world application using React.js. So what we have to do, first of all, let's visit our desktop. So how to do that? Just have to write down cd desktop. Cd stand for change directory. Then again in desktop I created one folder, that is React. So cd React, cd React, and inside this React I have to clear one React.js project. So how to create? You have to type down again same command, that is sudo create React app, and you have to type your project name. So my project name is hello world. If I click enter, then you can get that my package is started installing. So depend upon internet connectivity and hardware configuration, it will take time around 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait. So as you know, our React.js first program is successfully get installed. Now it's time to run that project. So we created project inside this React folder. So we have to go inside cd and hello world. Hello world is my project name, and I have to write down npm start, that is node package manager start. When I run this command, the new browser will get open, and inside this browser you will get your first hello world program. So let's start. Npm start. So that my new browser is getting open, and this is one React.js project, React.js hello world project. This is how you can create. Okay guys, then subscribe this channel and click bell icon to get more updates.